Repairs and rehabilitations are designed to extend the life of critical infrastructure. But not all repairs perform as intended. Issues with design, workmanship, or material compatibility can lead to missed repairs, early failure, and costly rework, often discovered too late. This is where AUTOSPEX Change Detection comes in. With repeat digital inspections, AUTOSPEX establishes a precise baseline of your asset and tracks how it changes over time. Before and after repairs can be compared side by side, making outcomes clear and defensible. ChangeGrid automatically flags defects that persist, recur, or worsen, while comparison mode makes repair performance easy to visualize and share. This gives asset owners objective evidence to enforce repair and rehabilitation warranties, validate contractor performance, and confirm that repair methods and materials are working as intended. Powered by AI and machine learning, AUTOSPEX turns inspections into actionable insight, helping owners protect investments, reduce risk, and plan with confidence. See infrastructure changes like never before with AUTOSPEX.